1. Who is the competent authority to sanction an advance of travelling allowance for a non-gazetted officers? Answer. Head of office. 3. %% of the total cost of the article shall be deposited as earnest money deposit by tenderer. Answer. 1%. 4. Warning slip is issued by whom? Answer. Accountant General. 5. Which is the last tier classification of government account? Answer. Detailed head. 6. KFC Form 44 is a certificate showing. Answer. Utilization of grant in aid. 7. Which of the following is not controlling public expenditure? Answer. Judiciary. 8. Kerala Contingency Fund Act was passed in year. Answer. 1957. 9. The expenses of State Public Service Commission is included in the list of. Answer. Charged items. Vote on account is answer. An advance grant. Payment for a store should not be delayed for more than days from the date receipt of stores. Answer. 30. Execution of work on basis will be with the prior sanction of government. Answer. Lump sum contract. Rate contract may be settled by. Answer. Store Purchase Department. Register is maintained in Form 10A. Answer. Register of recurring charges. No discussion of the budget shall take place on which it is presented. Answer. On the day. Is the first tier classification of government account. Answer. Sector. Temporary accommodation of debit or credit is Answer. Suspense. Annual financial statement is known as answer. Budget. Copies of the Supplementary Appropriation Act should be forwarded to Answer. Accountant General. The Committee of Public Accounts shall consist of member. Answer. 11 members. Which of the following is not included in receipt head or revenue account? Uttaram. Post and Telegraph. Details are shown in Register of Form 15 KFC. Uttaram. Tenders. Which of the following is an entry in measurement book of a work? Uttaram. Situation of work. Advance for minor irrigation works is. Uttaram. Special advance. Public work deposits are. Uttaram. Civil deposit. Kerala Grandashala Sangam shall submit their accounts to audit. Uttaram. Director of State Audit. The period of limitation of claim of pension is Uttaram. 12 years. Register of special advance shall be kept in Uttaram. EKFC Form 5. K. IPSI Form 26 is related to. Uttaram. Motor car advance. Assignment of funds by the legislature to meet specified expenditure is. Uttaram. Appropriation. Means a head immediately subordinate to a major head. Uttaram. Minor head. Of current year is prima facie the best guide for next year's budget estimate. Uttaram. Revised budget. Request for reappropriation and surrender of saving should reach Finance Department from Administrative Department before Uttaram. February 25. The administrative expenses of High Court of Kerala expenditure. Uttaram. Charged. Has been created under Article 267 of the Constitution. Uttaram. Contingency Fund. Who is authorized to keep the accounts of Estimate Committee of Legislature? Uttaram. Secretary. Deposits bearing interest is included in Uttaram. Public account. Budget of state government has to be laid before the legislature as per Article of the Constitution. Uttaram. Article 202. Lists of heads of departments are given in Uttaram. Appendix 1 KFC Volume 2. Appendix 1 KFC Volume 2. Rules for deduction of insurance premia from salary bill of Kerala government employees given in Uttaram. Appendix 11 KFC Volume 2. Appendix 11 KFC Volume 2. Service books of gazetted officers are sent to for record when they are confirmed in appointment. Uttaram. Accountant General.
Chodyam. Each court maintained 2 remittance books, one with the heading codes of law and the other with the heading Uttaram. Stamps. Chodyam. Claim of travelling allowance become due for payment Uttaram. After the close of the month, which the journey is performed. Chodyam. Charge report of gazetted officers shall be forwarded to Accountant General Uttaram. On the same day. Chodyam. Which of the following allowance has not been declared by the state government to be exempt from attachment order of a court? Uttaram. Dearness allowance. Chodyam. Which of the following does not include the term store? Uttaram. Fuel. Chodyam. Proposal for Library Gradation Committee Constitution shall be forwarded to government by whom? Uttaram, Director of Public Instruction. Chodyam, Advance for Junior IAS Officers for the Purchase of Furniture is as per KFC Vol 1. Uttaram, Article 312. Chodyam, Advance on Transfer is -advance. Uttaram, Civil Advance. Chodyam, Lapsing of civil court deposit to the government is governed by the rules issued by in this behalf. Uttaram, High Court. Chodyam, Conditions for advance to officers on joint salary basis given in KFC Vol 1. Uttaram, Article 244. C. Section B. Chodyam, the articles deposited for safe custody should be verified at least by the officer who deposited the same. Uttaram, once in a year. Chodyam, running contract will be settled by Uttaram, Heads of Department. Chodyam, a register in UKFC Form 4B should be maintained in every office to know details of Uttaram, pending inspection reports and paras. Chodyam, the travelling allowance bill of one of the following do not require counter signature. Uttaram, members of Board of Revenue. Chodyam, the permanent advance of a departments sanctioned by Uttaram, government. Chodyam, the amount of bills by book transfer should be entered in in red ink. Uttaram, contingent register. Chodyam, KF C Form 9A is Uttaram, Register of Increment. Chodyam, DPC Act of Controller and Auditor General of India passed in the year Uttaram, 1971. Chodyam, each and every entry of deduction of insurance premia should be attested by Uttaram, Drawing Officer.
The list for requirement of stores for next financial year may be prepared on the basis of consumption during previous years. Uttaram, 3 or 5 years. The periodical verification of stores, prescribed as per KFC, should never be entrusted to Uttaram, a low-paid subordinate. Authorized to be operated in the state accounts is given in Appendix 2 of KBM. Uttaram, list of the major and minor heads. Expenditure charged on consolidated fund is specified in Article of Constitution Uttaram, 202 of 3. Act of formal acceptance by Finance Department of Fund found to be excess of requirement Uttaram, resumption. The amount of budget estimate should be rounded to the nearest Uttaram, 100. In the budget estimate provisions should include pay and allowances in all forms of officers and staff except Uttaram, travelling allowance. The detailed head is residuary head. Uttaram, other charges. Administration Reforms Commission recommended the introduction of in 1968. Uttaram, performance budgeting. Chodyam, open tender is also known as Uttaram, advertised tender. Chodyam, for non-utilization of housing loan, penal interest will be levied over and above normal interest Uttaram, 2.5%. Chodyam, travelling allowance advanced to the family of officers who die while in service may be limited to of probable amount of ETA. Uttaram, 3/4. Chodyam, deposits of Janmigaram collections are included in Uttaram, revenue deposit. Chodyam, right of losses are as per of KFC, Volume 1. Uttaram, Article 300. Chodyam, whenever a government servant makes any correction or interpolation in any document, he should request the to authenticate it. Uttaram, Head of Office. Chodyam, ex gratia payments made it to the government employees Uttaram, who lost house and property in natural calamities. Chodyam, form of tender is given in of KFC, Volume 1. Uttaram, Annexure. 2. Article 80. Chodyam, when government servant transferred from one office to another, his service book should be sent to new office within of transfer. Uttaram, 1 month. Chodyam, are exempted from furnishing earnest money, deposit in support of tenders of store purchase. Uttaram, small scale industries. Chodyam, lapse of deposits to government are as per KFC, Volume 1. Uttaram, Article 282. Chodyam, each should contain an index and the government servant in charge of should keep the index up to date. Uttaram, measurement book. Chodyam, advance for removal of encroachment is Uttaram, revenue advance. Chodyam, a deposit credited to government, as it lapsed, should only be repaid with the previous sanction of Uttaram, Accountant General. Chodyam, contingent charges are classified in Art of KFC Vol I. Uttaram, 103. Chodyam, കസ്റ്റഡി ഓഫ് വാല്യുബിൾ ഡോക്യുമെന്റ്സ് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻഡ് ഇൻ ആർട്ട് ഡാഷ് ഓഫ് KFC Vol I. ഉത്തരം ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 333.